Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to page setup in Excel. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon to find all the essential page setup tools. This area allows you to control how your spreadsheet will look when printed. You can quickly modify settings like page margins, paper size, and the orientation of your document. Always use the Print Preview feature to check your layout before sending it to the printer. Customizing your page margins is crucial for a clean, professional appearance. You can select from predefined options or set custom values for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Deciding between portrait or landscape orientation depends on your data's layout. Portrait is taller than it is wide, while landscape is wider. These adjustments help ensure all your important information fits perfectly on each printed page. Excel offers powerful scaling options, allowing you to shrink or enlarge your worksheet to fit a specific number of pages, like 1 page wide by 1 page tall. You can also define a specific print area, ensuring only the data you want is included in your printout, excluding any unnecessary information. Additionally, set your print titles to repeat important row or column headers on every single printed page for clarity. Adding custom headers and footers is an excellent way to include vital information on every page, such as page numbers, the current date, or the file path. This helps organize your printed documents and makes them easy to reference. And speaking of reading, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Finally, always review your settings in Print Preview before printing your Excel workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.